Model, 67-plate Peugeot partner Berlingo professional non-runner engine repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 143689. MOT, 4th of February 2026. Engine, 1560cc DV6 FE, BHW-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and won't turnover, engine has seized grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control.